Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, heated seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.